How to clear cache on Android. This tutorial shows you how to free up space and fix common app issues by clearing cached data. Cache is temporary data that apps store on your device to help them load faster. Over time, it can build up and cause apps to slow down, glitch, or behave unexpectedly, so clearing it regularly is a good habit. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap Apps to open your full app list. After that, give it a moment for all your installed apps to load completely. At this point, tap on the app you want to clear the cache for. Following this, tap Storage to open the storage details for that app. From here, tap Clear Cache to wipe all the temporary files stored by that app. Once cleared, the app may take a second longer to load the first time you open it since it needs to rebuild its cache from scratch, but after that, it should run smoother than before. From here, go back to the apps list and repeat the same steps for any other apps you want to clear the cache for. It's worth doing this for apps you use daily, like your browser, social media apps, and streaming apps, as these tend to build up the most cache over time. That's how you clear cache on Android. If this was useful, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Catch you in the next one.